morning everybody, and welcome to the first assembly for term 6. Hopefully you all managed to get outside into the sunshine over half term. Certainly was lovely weather. Last half term our value was compassion. And can you remember some of the things we talked about? We talked about how if we show our compassion by sharing, helping others, and the things we say and the things we do, it can help things to be better. This half term we've got a new value, the value of perseverance. Does anybody know what perseverance means? I looked it up in the dictionary this morning to see what that had to say. And in the dictionary, under perseverance, it said, continuing to try to achieve a particular aim despite difficulties. Or, if you wanted to put that into simpler language, keeping going even if the going gets tough. At the moment, we're all staying safe and we're having to be careful what we do. Sometimes that can be quite tough. But if we keep persevering, that will help us all. Now, this morning I had a bit of a predicament. It had got to the point when it was time to take our dog Polo out for a walk. So I went to put my shoes on, and this is what I discovered. A wonderful knot. Now, I'm not very good at undoing knots. I find them very fiddly. So for me, that's a little bit of a problem. Sometimes people talk about being tangled up in knots, or you get that funny feeling in your tummy. If you're caught in the middle of something and you're not quite sure how to get yourself out of that fix. Have you ever felt like that? Maybe you've been stuck with some schoolwork and you haven't known how to find the answer. Maybe you've been worried or nervous and haven't known how to explain it to somebody. Or maybe you've fallen out with someone, with a friend, somebody in your family, and you're really not sure how to fix it. All of us have problems and predicaments at times, and we have to try and think carefully about how we can sort it out. Now, this spelling of knots, you see it there? So this is the knot I was talking about, the knot where I tied my shoes. But can anybody think of another spelling of knot? What about this one here? Sometimes we say this word knot. We may be afraid and say to ourselves, I cannot do it, or I will not succeed. We may become angry about a personal situation, thinking it should not have happened. We might make a mistake or do something wrong and think, I wish I had not done that. Worst of all, we may sometimes say it to ourselves, I am not good enough. These knots can be like those knotted laces. If we can't figure them out, and if we can't undo the knots, they can hold us back and make it quite tricky for us. So, what we need to try and do is think positively and persevere and try to undo all our knots. Let's think about I can, I will, I should. And let's not think about I cannot, I should not, I won't or I can't. Let's see if we can persevere and be positive, and that way we'll find that we're helping ourselves and we're helping others. Now, as for me, there's somebody I've got to help this morning. But first of all, I have got to untie this knot. Because otherwise, a certain small, fluffy dog is not going to be very happy. Goodbye.